guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So today's video is gonna be a get ready with me kind of makeup tutorial. I don't really know if you want to call it a makeup tutorial, but I'm just gonna be doing like this smoky, like pinkish look that I found on Instagram. I'll like insert the picture right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna be trying out that look and seeing if I can recreate it. I don't really know. I'm just gonna be using probably this Morphe palette and then also probably the Jane's palette just because it has a lot of colors. So I'm just gonna start with my face. I don't know, it's pretty much the same base that I've done like forever. I used to just use this foundation, but it makes me a bit cakey if I just use it on its own. So I've been mixing the Wet n Wild foundation with it, like putting this all over my face since it's kind of light, and then putting this like on my cheeks, my chin, my forehead, like my areas where I need more coverage. And then I use like my Fenty stick for like bronzer and stuff. And like for blush, I really like this ColourPop. I don't even know, my friend gave this to me. This ColourPop like cream duo. I use this, I love it, with like a dual fiber brush. I just feel like it makes it look so natural on your face. And then for highlight, probably this Anastasia one. I always use the Amrezy one. And then what else am I missing? Concealer, I'm gonna use my NARS. For brows, I use my Dip Brow and chocolate. I use that. And then for, what else am I missing? Powder. I've been liking the Kat Von D one. I just got it. I just tried it out. I really like it. I got the Jeffree Star one powder, translucent powder, but it's just like so white that it gave me such bad flashback. I like don't want to use that ever again. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my face. So I'm just gonna do that and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I just did my face, looking glowy. And now we're gonna get started with the eyes. I'm gonna start off with this pink shade right here. And I'm just gonna start with just like a blending brush and put that like in my outer. Just kind of like blend it out. The darkest part should be like right like under your brow bone. Okay. And then in the inner corner, we're gonna need a purple. So let me find like a good bright purple. In the James palette, we're gonna be using these two and putting those right in this part of the eye. And then in between the pink and the purple, we're gonna use an orangish red. So I'm gonna start off from the James palette. I'm gonna start off with this color and see how bright that is, because I don't think it's that bright of a color. And then with this baby pink, we're just gonna like diffuse everything at the top. So just need kind of like a fluffy brush. And then back with the pink. And then don't forget the bottom, under eyes. So I'm just gonna use that same pink. Start blending the under. And then with this color, we're gonna kind of concentrate that on the outer corner. And then with this yellow, we're just gonna start bringing that in from the inner corner, blending it with the pink. And then back in the purple. And then the same color we're putting in the crease, we're gonna use that for the lower lash line. And then a light pink, and start blending this purple because it's a little harsh. A little bit of hot pink and a little bit of light pink, and just blend it out. And I'm gonna bring in the purple a little bit on my inner corner, on like the inner third of my eye. This reddish color, I'm gonna just use that to blend this orange. I feel like it doesn't really fit in that great, so I'm just gonna use that a little bit. So I'm gonna use this color right here and put that on my lid. I'm gonna see how that turns out. I might need to put another color on top. So this is how it's looking so far. I need more of like a shimmery color. This is the color that was right next to it right here. And just dab that on top just to see if it makes it more like shimmery. I think that works. And then blend. Okay, I'm gonna get like a dark red and this color right here, and just start putting that in the outer corner a bit. Back with the hot pink because I feel like I made it a bit too dark. I'm just gonna use the same yellow that I used before from the Jeffree. Why do I keep saying Jeffree? From the James palette, and just blend this out a little. I feel like it's a little harsh. And then from the James palette, I'm gonna use this with a brush and wet the brush and see how that looks, because I'm not getting that sparkle that I really want. And now I'm gonna use like just a normal brush with some translucent powder and just kind of buff out like this area right here. I just feel like it's a little too much. So tell me what y'all think. I don't know if it's like the best right now, but I think it looks pretty cool. I mean, it's definitely not like an everyday look, but I think it's pretty cool. I just feel like it needs more red right here, like in the outer corner. So I'm gonna put the red that's in the 39L palette. Now I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone. So I'm gonna go put some lashes on and I'll be right back. And then I'm gonna put my Anastasia lipstick and honey. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. After I looked at the picture, I realized I think it was mmmmitchell's picture, not Morphe. So yeah, I just wanted to like clear that up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this smoky pink whatever inspired look, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, follow my social media, all that. So thank you guys.